All right, we're going to take our onions, we're going to put them aside. We're going to scoop out the rest of our onions because we'll be chopping these later. We'll also put them aside. We're going to go ahead and turn our front burner up to about 7. I'm going to put a tablespoon of oil in here. And then we'll move it around so it covers all of the bottom of the pan. And we're going to mince 2 cloves of garlic, so we'll take and find our little brown spots at the end of garlic. And we'll take those and move those away. Go ahead and chop both of these. And you see the garlic is riding up the side of the knife, so we'll push that back down. And then once that's all cut, we will go over it a couple more times to make sure that there are no big chunks at all. We're going to add this to our pan. And once the oil has cooked down a little bit, we're going to lightly, very, very lightly, dust it with some black pepper. And then again with our cumin. And you're going to make sure that you keep stirring this so that the spices don't burn to the bottom of the pan.